So I'm Susan Davidson. I'm a settler. I'm a 30-year experienced organic farmer from Aldergrove. I'm a member of the Pipe Up Network, and for anybody who's curious, Pipe Up stands for Pro-Information, Pro-Environment, United People. So we're honored to be here. We're proud to stand with you. We acknowledge that we are on the unceded territory of the Kwantlen First Nations. We are here as guests. We stand together. We acknowledge that your cultural, your spiritual, and your traditional laws have never, ever been extinguished. And we're doing our best to learn about them, to honor them, and to perpetuate them. We call on the National Energy Board of Canada to get their act together and to articulate a national energy program that is based on renewable energy. It is possible. It needs investment, it needs intelligence, and it needs support. We also acknowledge that there needs to be some transition time. We still have to run the generators that run the speakers, but we do not need any more new pipelines. We do not need any more expanded extraction of the tar sands, and we do not give our consent.